There's only two kinds of weather that the song's written about. Rain and sun. This is the one about
falling in love, and alien abduction.
alimony and sun.
The song is called In the Rain. It was off our 1986 LP, Under the Sun in the Rain. It was written by Glenn Said, and it goes like this.